Hi, Nick Kearsey from Great Ocean Properties in Torquay. Welcome to 65A Central Avenue, a brand new townhouse in Old Torquay. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a sun-drenched north-facing yard, a top deck with ocean views. Nothing left to do other than move in and enjoy the lifestyle you deserve. Come with me now, let's go take a look. An easy walk to the beach, cafes and restaurants. Close to world-class surf breaks. You will love all the benefits that this home offers you and your loved ones. Please feel free to get in contact. Would love to see you on an open for inspection. I can't wait to see you soon.